Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean a scratched disc with toothpaste. You're obviously going to need these two. You're going to need a soft cloth, and you can use a sink, but I just got a bucket of water because, you can just dip it in there and rub it off and stuff. But, okay, basically what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to open up the toothpaste, put a little bit on your finger, and dab it on the disc. Like this. You don't want to go circles. You just want to go from the middle to the edge, like this. You can do this where the scratch is, or you can just do the whole disc. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you cover up the scratches with it. And guys, while you're watching this, if you guys would please leave a comment, rate, subscribe, just all that good stuff, would really be appreciated. Okay, I'm just going to stop there, but you guys get the point. Okay, then you're going to want to take a bucket of water or the sink, and you're going to want to put it in the water, and you're going to want to rub it with your fingers, same way that you put it on, until you can get it all off. This may take you a little bit of time, but it is definitely worth it so you don't have to go and pay the $5. It's only $5, but that's, some people just don't want to go to the GameStop or wherever and just get it buffed down. And you can only do it a certain amount of times before they can't do it again, otherwise it'll corrupt the data. So, this sometimes really helps. Just household items like toothpaste. Okay, and after you get all the toothpaste off, what you're going to want to do is take your cloth right here, and you're going to want to rub like this in the same direction, just like, before. Don't want to go circular. You want to get it dry. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And it should be able to be used. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and talk to you guys later.